Good morning, class. How are you? Fine? If you are fine, do a thumbs up. I am fine, that's why I am doing. Good? Very good. You have to be very good and very fit. Okay? So, first of all, tell me that which chapter were we doing? Which chapter? We were doing chapter number 6. We were doing chapter number 6. And what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is numbers 1 to 100. Okay? And in our previous session, we had discussed about numbers 21 to 40. Okay? As I told you that 1 to 20 we had already done. So now we will not do. Afterwards we will revise it once. Okay? And yesterday I told you one thing also, that in this chapter we will do study regarding numbers group wise. Okay? In group we will divide the number and we will try to do, because from 1 to 100 the numbers will be very big, too much numbers will come together, means you have to learn everything, no? That's why we'll try to do our work in group. Okay, in group the work will be easier for us and we will cover each and every topic. Okay, as you know, in our previous session we had discussed from 21 to 40, and I hope you are aware about the number name also, about the numbers from 21 to 40. Okay, in yesterday session what I told you, that among some numbers students are getting what? Confused. And what were the numbers? The numbers were 30 and 40. This I told you yesterday only. So what is spelling of 30 here? What will be the spelling of 30 here? The spelling of 30 will be here 30. And what will be the spelling of 40? The spelling of 40 will be F-O-R-T-Y. Not F-O-U-R-T-Y. It's F-O-R-T-Y. Be very specific about it. Okay, otherwise your answer will be wrong. If in the question paper it is asking 41, then what you have to write on? You have to write on F-O-R-T-Y-O-N-E. Not F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N-O-N-E. That will be wrong. Knowing, no? Yes. Okay. Now, let's start from number 41. There I have already written. Now, which group we will take? We will take group 41 to 60. Okay. So, first of all, tell me what is spelling of 40? What is the spelling of 40? The spelling of 40? Yes, tell me. The spelling of 40? Yes, the spelling of 40 will be F-O-R-T-Y. Repeat with me. The spelling of 40, F-O-R-T-Y. One more time. Repeat with me. F-O-R-T-Y. Yes, one more time. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Okay. So now we will start doing with 41. Okay. So here 41. 40 plus 1, 41. Okay. So 41. Just wait, let me change this marker. Sorry for interruption. Okay, 41. So what is the spelling of 40? As we discussed now, so the spelling of 40 will be F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Here will be this sign and afterwards O and E. As I told you before also, while you are starting writing down the number name, the first letter must be in capital. This hyphen will come, and afterwards the second the second one will come in small letter. Okay, this will be in capital and this will be in small. Yesterday I also told you, today I am again telling, please keep this thing in your mind. Okay, there is a format to write on each and everything. Okay, you have to follow that. Okay, don't get confused. Don't start this one from small and this one from capital. Okay, that will be wrong. Okay, you should know what is the proper sequence of writing down the numbers. Okay, so what will be the number name for 42? It will be F-O-R-T-Y 40 and T-W-O 2. Okay, 43. What it will be? F-O-R-T-Y 40 and T-H-R-E-E 3 43 44 F-O-R-T-Y 40 and F-O-U-R 4 45 F-O-R-T-Y 40 F-I-V-E 45. Now 46 F-O-R-T-Y 40 and S-I-X 6. Okay. 47 F-O-R-T-Y 40 7 S-E-V-E-N 47. 48 F-O-R-T-Y 40 and E-I-G-H-T 8. 49 F-O-R-T-Y 40 and N-I-N-E 9. And now, what will be the spelling of 50? Yes. Do you know the answer? Tell me, what will be the spelling of 50? What? Yes. What will be the spelling of 50? F. Yes, F. Then I. Yes, I. Then F. Okay. F-I-F. Then T. Okay, T. And then Y. F-I-F-T-Y. Very good. Clap for you. The spelling of 50 will be F-I-F-T-Y. Okay. So the spelling of 50 will be F-I-F-T-Y. What will be the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. What will be the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. Okay, just repeat with me. What will be the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. One more time repeat with me. What will be the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. Okay? Now, next number. Which number? Next. What will be the next one? What will be the next one? The next one will be what? 51. What will be the spelling of 51? 50 and 1. What is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. What is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. And what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E 1. Okay? So, F-I-F-T-Y 50 and O-N-E 1. 52 52. F-I-F-T-Y 50 T-W-O 2. 53 53. F-I-F-T-Y 50 T-H-R-E-E 3. 54 F-I-F-T-Y 50 F-O-U-R 4. 55 55. 50 and 5. 55. 56 56. 57. Sorry. 50. 57. 58. 58. 59. 50. 59 and 60. 60. What is the spelling of 60? It's X-I-X-T-Y. 60. Okay, and the spelling of 16 will be what? S-I-X-T-E-E-N. Okay, repeat with me. What is the spelling of 60? The spelling of 60 is S-I-X-T-Y. What is the spelling of 60? The spelling of 60 is S-I-X-T-Y. One more time repeat with me. What is the spelling of 60? The spelling of 60 will be S-I-X-T-Y. Okay, done. From 1 to 60, done. Okay. Okay, now we will write down numbers in ones and tens. Okay, write in ones and tens. Okay, write in ones and tens. So we will start with, so what will be here? So this number will be, see, always see, whenever we are counting, always we are counting from back side. Okay, 3, 4 ones, this is ones and this is tens. Okay, if you are confused, you can do like this also. If you are confused at where to write down tens, where to write down ones, you can see like this also. Okay, 4, 3, always we are counting numbers from back side if we have to see which number is at ones place and which number is at tens place. Okay, so ones and tens from right side, okay, from back side. Okay, so ones and tens. So now with the help of this also you can find out that which number is at ones place and which number is at tens place. Here 4 is at tens place and 3 is at ones place. Okay, so here we can write down 4 tens plus 3 ones. At the place of plus you can use and also, no problem, both will be correct. Okay, next we will write down 57. 57. So how will we write down 57 in tens and ones? 57 ones, tens. So 5 tens plus 7 ones. Okay, let's see one more. Okay, 60. So 6 tens plus 0 ones or 6 tens. Both will be what? Both will be correct. Okay, if suppose if I'll ask, write in numeral. Write in numeral. Okay, 4 tens plus 3 ones. So what you have to do? You have to do nothing. Simply how the sequence is given to you, simply you have to write on the number. 4 tens and 3 ones. What will be here? 43. Okay. 5 tens plus 9 ones. What will be the number? 59. So this is what? This is the sequence. Okay. Like this you can write. Some more examples we will see. Let's see in the book some more type of question is given or not. Here yes, tens and ones. Here in your book, okay, when you will do this question, no, here you can see these blocks are given. These blocks. When will you count this? No, you will find that these blocks are separated. So this will be what? This will be as ones. And this, when you will count this, you will find that if this one is one pillar, like no, in this pillar you will get 10 this one cubes, 10 cubes of numbers. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means this one is equal to 1 tenth. Okay, this one will be equal to 1 tenth. So 1 tenth, 2 tenths and 3 tenths. Here is what? 3 tenths. And at the place of ones nothing is given, so it will be 0 ones. Here you can see, we'll start with this one. 3 tens and 1 1. At the place of tens you can see 3 pillars. You can see here 1 2 3, 3 tens, and at the place of ones 1 is only given, so 3 tens and 1 1, 31. Okay, here you can also find that. If you will come here, near one, here you can see when we will start 41 or 42. So at the place of tens you will get 4 columns. Okay, here you can see 41, no, so not 40, sorry, this one is 50, sorry. Here you can find, now this is of 2 tens, 20, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 tens, 20. When the number is in 20, then 2 tens, 2 blocks. When it comes to 30, 3 tens, 3 blocks. When it's come to 40, 4 tens, 4 block. In 40, 4 tens are there, no? So 4 blocks you can see here very easily, 1 2 3 4. Okay, when it's come to 50, here it's come to 50, 5 blocks you will get, 1 2 3 4 5 tens and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 tens, 57. And here you can find 6 tens, 1 2 3 4 5 6 tens means 6 blocks. Okay, so you have to one block. If you will get any block of this type, okay, if you will get anything like this, means it is showing 1 tens. Okay, in this 10 column you will get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This, if this one is showing in your copy, means it is showing 110 plus. If this one is showing 1 2, so 2 ones. So this figure is showing what? This figure is showing 12. Same pattern you will follow in each and every number. Okay, same pattern you will follow in each and every number. Sorry. So what you have to do, what is your homework for today? You have, yesterday we had done, okay, yesterday we had done till number 40, and today we will do till number 60. Okay, till number 60. Okay, so what is your homework? You have to do number from which page you have to do? You have to do page number 57 and 58. Homework 57 and 58. This we have to do this. Okay, and rest work we will do in the next session. Till then, keep yourself very healthy. Try to do homework on same day. Meet you in the next session. Bye bye.